Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Trinidadian Karen Pollard has replaced Jason Holder and Carlos Brathwaite as captain for the West Indies 50 over and T20 teams respectively. Pollard's appointment is for the next 4-year cycle in another reshuffling act from the Ricky Skerritt-led administration. The announcement was made today in Trinidad and Tobago.
Pollard has been out of one-day international cricket for the last 3 years, but the new selection task force, spearheaded by Vice President Dr. Kishore Shallow, plucked the 32-year-old out of the pack to lead the Caribbean team in the 50-over and T20 formats. He has, however, represented the West Indies in T20 cricket as recent as the series against India. Pollard averages 25.7 in ODI cricket with 300s and 950s in 101 matches. The change comes following Holder's 56th defeat in 86 ODIs, with the Barbadian failing to win a bilateral series as captain since his appointment in 2015.
Sitting with us here today is Mr. Karen Pollard, who, with immediate effect, has agreed to take up the position of captain of both our T20 and ODI white ball team. This appointment directly results from the recommended restructuring and leadership by the same task force in its quest to produce better selection and performance results.
In outlining why the current selection task force came up with Pollard, Vice President Shallow criticized the last selection panel, who he said met just once face-to-face in the last 3 years, explaining that selections were made via WhatsApp.
Most selections were done via WhatsApp messages, whereas they were just sending teams to each other and determining what I consider to be correct and was life, and we had done over WhatsApp messages.
Pollard, who had a standoff with the former Cricket West Indies administration led by Jamaican Dave Cameron, is excited to be the man designated to transform the future of West Indies limited overs cricket.
Don't be surprised, yes, no, but having said that, I don't think that's really matters now. And yet what matters now is getting down to seeing if we can make a positive impact in West Indies cricket.
And even with the appointment of Pollard, President Skerritt took a small jab at the previous administration.
We sort of just drifted from one series to another, paying attention to series by series and not having a bigger picture and a bigger goal involved. So, for example, between the 2015 ODI World Cup and the 2019 ODI World Cup, the selectors, just in the ODI team alone, moved over 50 players through that gate. There's nowhere that in 4 years, testing out 50 players makes a lot of sense.
Pollard's first assignment as captain will be against Afghanistan in November in India, where they will play 3 T20 internationals and 3 ODIs. In another change, the board has added an executive selector who will oversee the recruitment process. The new addition for the men's team will complement the selector and coach, as well as 3 scouts. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.